G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. I'm Russell. Today I'm installing a fire extinguisher mount that we make into a Ford F150 or F250 from 2021 onwards. The fire extinguisher mount that we make comes with everything that you require to install the fire extinguisher into the vehicle. All you need to do is remove two front seat bolts, slip the bracket in, then bolt the extinguisher or the cage that you get onto the bracket. Takes about 5 minutes, super easy, and it's a really great way to install a fire extinguisher into your car. The tools required to install this is just a 13mm socket with a little extension and a ratchet, a little trim tool, but you can also use a little flathead screwdriver, and just two 8mm spanners. The procedure is super easy. You use your little trim tool to first off remove the little plastic covers that sit here. Just give them a little press and they pop out, just like that. That then gives you access to the two 13mm headed bolts. After you've removed your trims, then get your ratchet and socket and remove those two bolts. Utilizing those two M5 nuts and bolts, then just install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. And tighten them up with the two 8mm spanners. After you've installed the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, then you just need to grab the front of the seat and lift it up and slip the extinguisher bracket underneath, and the bolts will all line up. And then reinstall the two factory bolts. I always recommend doing them up by hand first, so you don't have the chance of cross threading. Then tighten them up with your 13mm socket. After you've done that, then just reinstall the two plastic covers. And install the extinguisher into its cage. Job done. And as you can see, you retain full seat movement. It doesn't interfere at all. Well, thank you so much for watching this little video. This can be installed on the passenger side or the driver's side, and even if your vehicle is left-hand drive, you can also install it in your car. They're a great way to install a fire extinguisher in the vehicle and keep your vehicle and your family safe. So if you have another vehicle that we have a bracket for, please search the rest of our site because we have so many different brackets. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day.